Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and in front of me we have the gold over the US dollar chart. Just before I start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of our 20% sale that we currently have on our Daily Market Movements website. We're only charging £199 for a year's membership of Trading Signals. Normally we charge £249, so you're saving yourself £50. So to take advantage of that sale, head over to our website, and that's where you can subscribe to our Signal service. But in front of me, as I mentioned before, we have the gold markets. Now we're currently trading at 1730. We've been hovering around this level pretty much for the whole week, and that's I think the market's been trading cautiously because we've just come off a massive sell-off from the 1800 level all the way down to 1680. We've rebounded rather nicely to be trading at 1730. But then, of course, this week we had Jerome Powell, who is the chairman of the Fed, and the previous Fed chairwoman, who is Janet Yellen. They were testifying in front of lawmakers this week. So I think, the markets were trading rather cautiously, and that's why we haven't seen too much volatility. But going into next week, I'm still bullish here. I am anticipating a move up towards 1750 in the near future. So that's a short-term movement. And then I think eventually, looking, towards the medium-term movements in gold, I think you can expect a move up towards 1800. Now, at the 1800 level is very important because that's where the 200-day EMA is. We would have to break above the 50-day EMA, which currently sits at 1770, to get there. If we got a daily close above the 50-day EMA, that would be very bullish, medium to long term. But let's walk before we can Let's walk before we can run, I should say. And for now, I'm just focusing on that movement up towards that 1750 area. If you step back and look at the fundamentals of the gold market, we are still in a low interest rate environment. And it's extremely difficult to be selling gold when, the Fed chairman has come out and basically told us that they're not even thinking of increasing interest rates. And, as I just mentioned, you cannot sell gold when interest rates are basically at 0%. So for that reason, I am still a buyer. There's still, there's still a significant amount of money being injected into the financial markets on a monthly basis. So for that reason, 1750 is my target. And then once we get to 1750, I will then look up towards 1800. But even if we were to break below, guys, I think there's plenty of support. If I just draw a box here, between 1700 and 1680, that's where we found some support over the past couple of weeks. If we broke below there, well, then that could open the door down towards 1600 and then eventually 1500. But for the time being, 1700 is offering support. 1750 is my target going into the start of next week, and then eventually 1800.